You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of these company and brand of plumbing materials and sanitary fittings from Germany, okay? Originally the company is, so the brand name is to be pronounced in German. The German pronunciation is as Hansgrohe. Hans, as in the name Hans, Grohe, Hansgrohe. It's easy, therefore in English you can say it as Hansgrohe. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.